This is part of the Trent-Severn Waterway with locks, and this particular part is the Trent-Severn Marine Highway, also known as the Big Chute. And what you have here is a railroad built for small boats. And right there is the railroad car. And what happens, it takes boats from the lake that is on the other side of the road. This thing goes into the water. Boats float in. The straps you see on the side there, the yellow straps, pull up to go around the boat to hold it in, and then it comes up from the water, comes along the tracks, and the boat is completely out of the water. Takes it down here, and puts it into the lake. Why did they do that? Well, actually, it was a lot cheaper than having a lock. And it worked wonderful. Now, the people from this lake that want to go up, when the railroad, I'm going to call it a car for lack of a better word, gets down to the water, they float in, they're hauled up here, and they're taken across to the other side. And the nickname for this is the Big Chute. And you can see underneath this that there's water dripping, which tells me that it's been in the water not too long ago. Well, I screwed up that part of the boat coming over, or the marine railroad coming over. But the boat's coming in now. Will be slung in there. Don't know if it cost. I have no idea. No idea at all. When it gets ready to return, we go over to the other lake. Just like on a railroad, the gates go down and you can't cross. Now you can see the boat's slung there. It's out of the water. It's not touching the floor.
This is the modern day portage. Big Chute, Ontario. And off they go.